I did it.
You did? Good job. What is that?
That's number 8 when I do that.
You did? What else are you going to do? You're going to find another wheel? Hey, what happened to your pants?
Nothing.
You got trousers on. Hi, Daddy. Did you do another piece? Good job. Ta-da! Did you do it? Hey, Dill, where's that tank that goes Charlie 2-9er?
Okay.
Can you push it? What's it say?
Bravo 2-9er, over. Bravo 2-9er, over. We're taking fire.
We need
Good
to
put down.
Roger, Bravo 2-9er, Charlie 3-6. We'll go air supporting all the way.
Nice.
Can I see?
No.
I want to see.
Huh?
I want to see.
You need to say hi to Nanny first. You say hi, Nanny, because then we can show her the video. Oh, what a little wiener.
No.
See what Daddy's doing? Is Daddy cleaning the grill?
What are you doing?
Nothing, what you doing?
Say hi to your mom.
Hi.
It's a nice sunny day, huh? Yeah. Okay.
Mom,
What?
I'm going to go play over there on my bike.
Okay, put your shoes on.
Okay.
Put your shoes on.
Do a boat.
Those ones. Put your flip-flops.
Mom.
What, you want to put your tennies on? Can you do it? You know how to do it. There you go. Other foot. Other foot, Lovey. Other foot.
What?
No, the other one.
Oh, this one.
Mm-mm.
You said the way, but you bug it up.
Okay, ready? Are you going to ride your bike? Should we put your helmet on too? Good job. Did you do your shoes? Nice work.
Hey. Uh-oh.
What's the matter?
Trousers.
What happened?
Trousers.
You don't need any. It's okay. Cruising for a timeout, that's for sure. Come on, let's go.
Get my helmet on.
I think it's out here. It's right there. Let's put it on.
Hey.
There you go, bud.
Daddy got his helmet. Daddy got his helmet too.
What?
Daddy has his helmet too.
Here you go, bud.
He has his helmet. Daddy has his helmet too to ride my bike. We can drive it. He wants to go on my bike.
Here, can you hold this so I can strap? There you go. Thank you. Okay, get on.
A little bit wet.
That's okay.
Wet.
That's all right. Give it a cruise.
Oh, that's fine. This one.
Beautiful husband. Beautiful backyard. Honey, come on now. Daddy.
Dad! You can't do it. Come on, go.
Are you ready? Okay, let's go cruising. That's the baby bike. The day in the life.